Alright, this is how you make a mechanical pencil into kind of like a rocket. This, when you push it down, it flies like that. So, you just gotta bite this off, this part, right here. You know, like right here. Either you can bite it or pull it, but I really bite it. Alright, so you can see right there, I kind of bit it. You're going to kind of want to be careful. Alright, so what you're going to do is take your spring off and take this thing off, but you could bite that too. That shit. Or you could just bend it like that. Or break it off. Alright, so yeah. You don't need that. Alright, so this is really what you're gonna need. Alright, so you're gonna wanna put the spring right here in here. Then you're going to want to put this in right there. And then you push it down and then it fires. But the spring comes out. So, and now it just went down my drain. That's how you make one of these. And I made one earlier. This one's mine. So, hold on. Alright, hold on. So, look. It might not work very great, so that's literally what it does. So, sometimes the spring comes out. And then you just have to put this back in. So, saw that, but it just went down there. I cannot find it. I don't. Alright, that's all. Alright, have a good day.